Hi guys, in this video I am going to discuss about form view control in ASP.NET. So at here it displays values of a single record from the data source using user defined template. So suppose at here when you are using Microsoft SQL Server and here you are using tables and here this record inside the tables. So at here, if you want to display this record inside a waveform, so you can use at here form view control. So let's understand by example. So at here, there is a one waveform that I already created with the name form view. Now here you can see this is at here aspx.cs at here. So let's go to designer and you have to go to at here toolbox and here search form view. Now here after drag this into the designer. Now here you can find at your choose data source. So at here we can or click at your new data source. Now here we can use database entity link object sidebar and XML. So at here going to use database. Now here after click on OK and here click on new, and if you click at here new, here you need to give, so here you can select add here MySQL and here Oracle and any other. So at here I'm going to use Microsoft SQL Server. Now here after let's disconnect and connect, and here after copy the server name, and this server name we need to paste here, and here going to use SQL Server authentication, and here give the username and the password, and hereafter you can select any database from here. So going to select Adam, click test, succeeded, click OK. Now here Adam connection string project CS, it's added. Now click next, here next, and hereafter here you can find different types of tables are there. So some are views also. Now here you can specify column from table of view. So you can use at your custom SQL statement or store procedure also. So going to select at your table. So going to select at your empty table, and here this all at your columns. So if you want to select any particular column, so you need to select at your one by one. So if you check that, so start, so it will select all the columns. Now here after click on next, here test query. So this is the record inside there. Now click on finish. So at here in form view, or this it's come at here employee ID name all the columns. Let's make that bigger. Now here after let's click at here. Here you can see auto format. Yeah, so you can select at here anyone. Now there is a one important thing is edit template. So at here you can include item template, footer, header, empty, paste template. So let's use first add here header template. Now here you can write any meaningful things. Like I'm going to give add here on header employee details. Employees details. Now here after let's go to edit template, and here after the next is here you can see employees detail, it's a column there. So if you select add here, right click and go to properties, and here you can check this all those things. Now here somewhere you can find add here header style and header text. So if you want, then here you can click on plus, and here you can change the background of the header. So see here header color it's changed. Now I'm going to make that yellow. So it's selected white. Let's make that red. Okay, now it's looking different. And hereafter, if you want, then here you can right click and here you can use add here, different option add here. So add here, this is the ID form view. And here after the next is let's select add here. Here you can add it auto format. So whatever you like, here you can select anyone. So I think add here, let's use this trade. Okay, this option or anyone you can select. Now click on OK. So add here by using auto format color style that has changed. Now here after the next is here you can if you enable add here enable parsing. So add here whenever you click add here 1, 2, 3 so different rows value that display by enable. So if you disable so it will not display add here enable parsing. Now it's a display. So this is its look like. Now hereafter click to execute the output here. So this is the output add here. It's displaying into the browser and here you can see employee ID. So connect add here with the SQL server. So add here on the first position here you can see 100. Now here this is the browser. Here you can compare 100 Steven, 100 Steven King and your number. So it's on displaying at your first row. If you want then here you can check at your third row. So on third row add here 100 to blacks D and red man. And if you want then here you can see at your 10 rows. Now hereafter let's go to the coding and here you can see all the design, all these things are quite similar. Now hereafter the next is cancel that. And hereafter here you can see this is the properties. Click there. This is the form view property. And hereafter you can change the add here back color. So whatever you like you can select from here. So I selected add here yellow. Okay, back color. Now here you can use add image and here border color. Here border style. If you want then here you can select. Add here. Let's select. Here you can see some differences. It's come here. So add here. Now here after. So here you can see data source. It's automatically come. Now here default mode that is read only. And here after the next is here you can see this is the footer style. So if you want to add the footer, let's go and here edit template. And hereafter you can somewhere find footer template. So let's give add here hello. Now hereafter click on edit. So add here you can see hello it's the display. Or hereafter you can use add here on footer some meaningful things like click next. Click next. Now hereafter click on edit template. So here you can see click next it's a display. Now hereafter here you can get bunch of different options of form view. Now here if you go add here you can see or different type of add here event like item created, deleted, insert, inserted, inserting, updating, it's all there. So in my upcoming video I will discuss this all. And here so this is the simplest example of form view control in ASP.NET. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.